This video we are going to take you through a journey of a manager who has a team reporting to him and uses super sales to manage his team. So let's take this example of Rajnish Pandey. So there is the dashboard which shows the visits, leads and orders. So today he has 38 visits planned, out of which 31 are done, 7 have been missed, and out of 31 done, 19 have been updated. So that's a kind of summary of his screenshot. Now when he clicks on himself, that is Rajnish Pandey, the team reporting to him comes. So his sales frontliners, Deepak, Gulshar and Shami, each one's performance and number of visits done, number of visits missed, and number of visits which they updated the report. All this data comes for each. He clicks on any one person, say Gulshar Ali, and he gets a detailed sales report of that person. So starting with attendance, check-in, what location he checked in, what time he checked in, then all the visits he made during the day, or all the lead check-ins or activities, whatever he has done throughout the day will come in his daily movement report. And for each visit there is a in time, out time, and the total kilometers traveled at the end of the day, how much customer time was spent on each meeting. Now we can see this whole report in form of a Google map where the exact route taken by the salesperson will be shown, and these red location bars are the names of all the stores or customers he visited with the in time at each location. And so you can see the entire movement of his sales team on Google Maps with the name and the time of visit for each of them. So this is where he started his day, and this is again the location where he ended his day. So his start of day and end of day happened at the same location. So the next is only the visits made. The first was all kinds of activities including visit. These are the visits he missed today. These are the visits he updated with some kind of reporting. The next is sales order which he punched in today. So all the sales order, all the lead statuses he updated today, all the leads which were assigned to. He can now go into the detail of a lead. When he clicks on that, he gets the detail of the update done on each of the lead, the leads which were assigned to Gulshar, leads which were created by Gulshar, all the proposals given by Gulshar today to the customer. So it gives him a very detailed drill down view. At a national sales at level, he can see his regions and the states and so on. The drill down can go to multiple levels. Now this is a lead dashboard where he can see overall how many leads were assigned to him today, to his team today, how many they generated on their own, and how many they updated the lead status. So means lead status update is when they do a follow-up. So these are the leads which were assigned to them from the backend, leads which they added on their own, and leads which they updated the lead status when they did a follow-up. So you can overall see a summary of the whole status of all the leads of any person. So next is a summary of the orders. So similarly, total orders booked by the team of Rajnish Pandey comes here. Now when you click on Rajnish Pandey, his team, and so on and so forth. So this drill down can be multi-level up to any number of levels, but typically there are 3 to 4 levels in any organization. So the visits, leads and orders. Now he can do his own, the manager can do his attendance by checking in, and it captures his location of check-in. He can also see the attendance of his team. So there is self for his own self and team for his team. So he can see the attendance punched in by his team members, Deepak and Gulshar, what time they started the day, what time they ended the day. and he can accept or reject. So because if they have done travel check-in, it comes for approval to the manager. So travel check-in is not a predefined location. So before he approves, he can also click on a particular attendance and he can see the exact address of that attendance. So if he clicks on this, he will see the exact address. So before approving, he can check the address, whether they have punched the correct location where they started or ending the day. So he can approve their attendance wherever they have done any attendance other than office location or a dealer distributor location. So similarly, at end of the day, you can check out. The manager can also check out his attendance. So at the bottom we have 5 tabs: visits, leads, dashboard. The first thing we saw, the dashboard, orders and report. So let's say we go to the visit tab. So here are all the current visits for today and future visits. That's what comes, the visits which are over here in history. He can filter these visits. So if he wants to see the visits of only one of his employee or his sales team, he can click on that, select that person, and he can see those visits of that person. So next is the lead tab, where again all the open leads or the lead funnel under him, they get listed here. So the funnel of all his sales team comes here with the next follow-up date, what budget, what product, and if he clicks on it, this will go into the detailed lead section also. If he clicks on any one lead, he can filter these leads by hot leads, hot plus warm leads. So if he does hot, only the hot leads will come. You can filter by a salesperson, which is a user. So you can select the name of the salesperson. If he selects Gulshan Ali, all leads of Gulshan Ali will come. Similarly, you can select by customer. He can select, let's say, wants to see the leads of Shami, all leads of Shami will come. So you can select by product category, subcategory, by segment, by class, by customer class, by the lead stage like qualified, demo, finalization. So all lead stages he can filter. So he can filter his funnel to see meaningful data. So next is the order tab, which will list all the orders which have been booked by his sales team over the past 3 months. So this has the complete detail of the order. He can again filter his orders by customer, product, by user is his sales team, by product category, by created date. So he can select a particular user and see all the orders of that particular salesperson. So the entire list of all the orders come in here. You can go into the detail of an order, and you can even edit an order from here. If he wants to make a change, and from this list he can even change the order. Instead of quantity 3, if he wants to make it 1, and the discount he wants to increase it to 5%, you can edit this order from this order list. He wants to delete an order, he can delete an order also. So the last tab is the sales report, which we saw earlier, the same format as what we saw from the dashboard, and you can choose which particular salesperson he wants to see the report for, and once he chooses that, he will get to see the sales report of that person. So these are the 5 bottom line tags: visit, lead, dashboard, order and report. So there is a refresh button at the top if he wants to refresh the current page. There is a notification button, and there is a data sync button. Means if any data is offline, it gets synced if you press the sync button. Under notification, first is all the information notification he gets. If any of his team member does any activity, he gets a notification. And right from notification, he can go into edit or view. So you can view a lead, an order, or any of this transaction right from notification. There is an approval tab. So approval is for let's say attendance, for visit check-in, lead check-in, any manual visit. So any kind of approval also come here. And again, before approving, he can see the thing on the map before he approves a particular attendance or a check-in. So a notification has two portions, and the approval portion, he can approve or reject any transaction. The approvals come as per the business rules set by your organization. So now we come to the left hand side main menu. First is a profile. So the profile of the person comes in here. The profile has his own profile plus his team members profile. So if he is heading the northern region, all the users of northern region, their profile comes in. Next, there are two main tabs: sales task and HR task. So here we have all the menu items. One of this menu item is daily sales plan. So here he can select any of his sales team member and see their sales plan. Supposing he selects let's say Gulsher Ali, and he just clicks on it, so his sales plan for today will come in. So similarly, he can see the sales plan of any of his team member. That is, where are they planning to visit today? And let's say he can also see their beat plan, that tomorrow is in Noida sector 5, day after he is in Noida sector 16. So similarly, he can see his movement plans or the beat plans for any future dates under the sales plan section. So under attendance, you can see the attendance and leaves of his team or the expenses claimed by his team.